और क्यों छोड़ा अनुपमा?
बहुत सरस है हाँ।
4 साल जिंदगी के किरदार को देना बहुत बड़ी बात होती है किसी भी एक्टर के लिए।
You had a tiff with रूपाली गांगुली.
ऐसा लग रहा था कि अब मैं थकने लगा था। अनिल कपूर जो मुझसे भी 2 डेकेड आगे हैं, बट वो अभी भी, सॉरी टू से, बट लॉन्डे टाइप लग रहे हैं बिल्कुल,
ए, बोलने दे बोलने दे।
I was watching Sing is King very recently and I thought your character was fab in that.
थैंक यू सो मच।
वो यादों की बारात, तू दारू पी।
Hi Sudhanshu, welcome to Switch.
थैंक यू सो मच। थैंक यू।
So firstly, I want to know the craze for audio platforms are increasing day by day. How is it working with Audible and are there any like favorite podcasts that you listen to and then we can get to your character?
Well, I still haven't started listening to podcasts, but I know it is the future. And because of the world we are living in today, we are all looking for entertainment while on the go, for whether we are going for to our jobs or coming back from there, or
Yeah.
doing household work or whatever. We've reached that age where that is how the future is going to be.
Yeah.
And Audible as a company is doing a fantastic job in terms of creating the entertainment and the content that they are. Uh, uh, like the Marvel series that I've been a part of, and I think it is going to be lapped up by the audiences. No
So
problem.
Hulk जो है, I think is a very strong character also, and I think all the characters that you've done in the past have also been very strong.
Hmm.
So why do you think people choose you for such strong characters? Is it the bass in your voice or what is it?
I think it's got to do with the kind of personality or the aura one actor carries. Like for instance, मैं किसी भी, like, मे बी ड्वेन जॉनसन है, द रॉक। अभी उसको मैं ऐसा कैरेक्टर नहीं दे सकता जो कहीं पे बैठ के भीख मांग रहा हो। Correct?
Yeah.
So, because he looks very strong, he's a very strong looking guy. He carries a very strong personality also. You would obviously give him characters such as that.
Yeah.
So similarly, I think although I'm not that big or huge or anything, but I do carry a strong personality. I think that is the vibe I carry, and that is why I get strong characters. But having said that, I've also played very, very vulnerable characters in my life. Some stories that I've done, I've played a very, very vulnerable, weak, characters, and I would definitely not want to be typecast as an actor who only does very, very strong characters. I would like to play characters which are vulnerable.
Yeah. Yeah. In fact, I was watching Sing is King very recently and I thought your character was fab in that.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Sami. Thank you.
Yeah, but like, is there like an effort to have the kind of personality that you have, the kind of physique that you have? Because when I was researching for this interview, I saw you're 50 years old and you don't look 50 at all.
Yeah.
तो क्या कितनी मेहनत लगती है just to be the way you are at the moment?
I just turned 50 this month. I mean, last month, and I think the only way to be healthy and fit is, I think, have a disciplined life. And age is only a number, like they say. 40 is the new 30s, 40 is the new 30, 50 is the new 40, and all those things people are saying. These are they sound very good, but I think today I also see that there are people who are 25-year-old, but they look double their age because probably their lifestyles are such. So in the end, what I feel is that people who I admire and I take inspiration from are people like maybe an Anil Kapoor, जो मुझसे भी 2 डेकेड आगे हैं, बट वो अभी भी, सॉरी टू से, बट लॉन्डे टाइप लग रहे हैं बिल्कुल, so they still have that boyish energy, boyish charm, and so I think I still have a long way to go. I've just turned 50. I still have a long time to be able to prove myself how fit I can be and how functional I can be 20 years later, as Anil Kapoor is today. Yeah.
Our viewers are millennials and Gen Z. So just for them, this question, you have lived through 20s, 30s and 40s. Which was the best time for you?
I think now is.
Okay.
Now is the best time because, first, so many years up till your 40s, you are only building your life. I think
Hmm.
you're like, you don't really settle mentally and physically till you are that age where you have built everything up. And now, I feel that in today's day and age, all the actors my age, whether it's a Hrithik Roshan, technically he's about 8 months or 9 months older than I am. you know, or an Arjun Rampal who's 2 years older than me, or John Abraham who's actually 2 years
Yeah.
older than me. So these guys are all now in at their peak of careers and peak of
Correct.
even fitness wise, they are so good. And I think all of us, even my batchmates like Dino Moria and all these guys who we were all models
Hmm.
together, even Arjun and everybody. We've all taken our first half of our lives in building it, and I think now is the time that you have to you have to sort of start enjoying it, and that is what I intend to do. Enjoy my
Hmm.
work, enjoy everything that I'm doing,
Hmm.
and I think because जीवन में इतना कुछ देखने के बाद एक समय के बाद आपके जीवन में थोड़ा ठहराव आ जाता है, and I think we are all now a little settled mentally, emotionally, physically, spiritually, every which way. So I think
Yeah.
now is the time to start living the life.
Yeah, coming back to Marvel Wastelanders, एक ऑडियो सीरीज को रिकॉर्ड करना या क्रिएट करना, आई थिंक एज somebody from outside might be a little boring, मुझे ऐसा लगता है, because like at a film set you're all together, your co-stars are all together. Did you get a chance to interact with your co-stars, because this is like a separate thing you're recording, right? So
No,
just
so
take
it
me through the
was
experience.
it was anything but boring because because the whole experience of being able to perform through your voice, you
Yeah.
know, just creating that atmosphere, that impact through your voice, and make sure that when the audiences are listening to it, they're having a very clear imagination in their head of what Hulk is doing and what Hulk is going to do, and what he's feeling and what he's thinking, all of that
Yeah.
with just the voice. So it has been a fantastic. It was a fantastic experience, and completely new for me because as an actor, you are always in front of the camera, so you're expressing through your voice and your face and your eyes, and everything comes into play,
Yeah.
but here it is purely voice. There is no camera, it's just that mic, and in that mic you're putting it out completely, for the audiences to experience it.
Yeah. We have to talk about Anupama, because, like, I told my mom today that I was going to interview today, and she doesn't know that you've left the show because she's not on social media that much. I told her that you've left the show, and she was so upset because she was like, "That was the best character. How can he leave?" So, take me through, first of all, क्यों छोड़ा Anupama?
I think because ये सब जगह मैंने एक्चुअली बोला है, it was 4 years,
Hmm.
और 4 साल जिंदगी के किरदार को देना बहुत बड़ी बात होती है किसी भी एक्टर के लिए,
Hmm.
और मैंने वो किया, एंड आई थिंक इट वाज हाई टाइम that I moved on from there, and now to start experimenting with other characters and other roles, because मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि अब मैं थकने लगा था वो करने से, कहीं ना कहीं, because I've given a lot into that character to make it what it is
Hmm.
today. Obviously it was written beautifully by the writers. They did a fantastic job, but I think as an actor जो मैंने उसमें डाला, वो 4 साल में मैंने बहुत कुछ किया, और अब वो टाइम था कि अब I was finding it difficult to give it a new edge, or do something new with it. So
Yeah.
before I thought, before the decline of the character happens, I should move out, because audience should have I should leave the audience with a good of the character,
Better to leave on a high.
on a high. Yes, absolutely. That's what I
But
did.
there are, of course, rumors and headlines like you had a tiff with Rupali Ganguly and kuch aisa tha. So is it just because you want to leave on a high, or there's like,
You've answered your own question. You said rumors.
but I want to confirm with you.
When you say rumor, it's a rumor only. No, there cannot
Yeah.
be any truth in it. So I've been telling everybody that it's a keep a rumor. A rumor. Don't try to attach it with the reality, because there is no reality, there's no truth in it.
What has the reaction of your fans been like? Because I'm sure you had a lot of fans from Anupama as well.
Well, yeah, there are hundreds and thousands of them from across the globe, and everybody's reaction has been very, very emotional. And I was, frankly speaking, I was really overwhelmed. I mean, I knew that Vanraj is a very, very loved character, and people love to hate him and all of that. But all I got after my announcement was pure love and emotion, and complete disappointment from them that, everybody kept saying, "Oh no, please come back, don't do this. We can't, watch the show without you," and this and that. And
Yeah.
somebody said that I'll start fasting till you come back and all that. So, things like that were happening, and I realized that how attached everybody was to the character, and
Yeah.
how they wanted me there. But I guess, when it's time, it is time. You've got to start moving on, and you've got to stop thinking about uh, the past.
Yeah. Okay, quickly, I'm gonna play a rapid fire round. I don't have a lot of time. So the first is describe Marvel Wastelanders in 3 words.
In 3 words,
Yes.
absolutely fantastic, immersive, and a thrilling ride.
Okay. If you were not acting, then
I would be probably a Don.
okay. One thing people don't know about you.
That I'm a very, very, very uh, emotional man.
Okay. One thing you will miss about Anupama.
Uh, Having all the fun with all the actors there every single day, all the laughters and the silliest of jokes that we used to crack while doing the scenes also.
Yeah, okay. And the last question, if you had to tell viewers why they should listen into Marvel Wastelanders, what would that be?
Because it's going to be first of its kind experience, and that too in Hindi. So I think it's worth a listen.
Perfect. Thank you so much for giving us time, Sudhanshu. It was
Thank
lovely
you.
talking to you.
Thank you, Sunny. Likewise. Thank you so much.